guys, Rachel Fishback here with People of Egg Media and Swine Web. I'm at the Double L booth with Courtney. Courtney, let's talk about the new fans that you guys are launching here at World Pork.
Thanks, Rachel. We are super excited to be here this year. Like you said, we've launched our fan line this year. Our fans are a EC direct drive fan system. It complements our innovative inlets that we've already had in our winching system, so we're very excited to add the fans to our ventilation line. The direct drive and EC components are both integrated together, so you don't have additional wiring that you have to do. So it's all right here together. If you ever need to repair or access these motors, they're super simple. You just pop off a few screws and you're able to access these and repair them should they ever go down. We really wanted a maintenance-friendly item, and so with that we've done a few things to make sure that these are long-lasting motors for you. There's a soft start system in there, so it's not going to always torque on that motor, and we've also developed the poly blade here so that it's not working on that motor and putting as much strain on them.
In the pork industry, our barns can be very coated in condensation with the elements, the humidity. What are some of the ways that this fan can help pork producers in a longer lasting fan?
All the materials here are designed to withstand the harsh environments of a swine facility. These are also going into layer and broiler facilities, but we all know that swine are the most harsh environments. So you have either stainless, poly, or fiberglass materials on here. We've really wanted to make sure that none of these are going to corrode over time. We also know how important it is that you have consistent ventilation. And so with the design of the fan, the aerodynamics with it, you're going to create a more consistent environment and you're going to have better airflow through your facilities. They're also very high CFM and variable speed. So depending on what your controllers are calling for, you're going to be able to adjust these and have a better airflow pattern. You're not going to see these big spikes in CFM shifts as you have fans coming on and off. You're going to be able to ramp up and hold them at a variable speed, so you're getting a more consistent environment and avoiding those big jumps in CFM flows.
So I don't know if people can see this on camera, but you've got a couple of different sizes of fans. Do you want to talk about the range of sizes that you offer for these?
Great question. So we're offering the 36, 48, 51, and 57. The 57 is predominantly going to be used in other protein sources, but we have the 36, 48, and 51 for the swine industries.
So Courtney, this housing unit feels a little bit different than your other lines. Can you explain that to people that might not be able to see it on camera?
Yeah, so when we developed our housing, we wanted to make sure that we're bringing something a little bit different to market. So our fiberglass housing is actually a pressed housing. It's not sprayed in. So what that means is you're not going to get it flaking. It's not going to crack as easy. Your workers aren't going to get as many fiberglass splinters in their hands. It's a much more robust housing. It's also a little bit thicker. The other thing that we did with this is we know that sometimes space can be tight. So your front flange dimension and the outermost cone dimension are the same. So you don't have to worry about your fan cones touching on the backside and being outside that flange opening for you guys.
And I know you offer a lot of custom products to go on the exterior of fans. Can we do a quick rundown of some of the things that people can put on the exterior of these to help with the efficiency of the fans?
So our fans will be complemented with our eco-tight shutter that we're known for high efficiency and less leaky fans. So you're going to have a shutter that's not going to allow as much air back into your facility when it's not in operation. It also can be paired with our winter cover, so that shutter cover to go on there to shut them down in the wintertime to better provide insulation value there. If for some reason your facility calls for it, we are offering a damper style shutter as well that would go behind the fan blade.
So Courtney, how can people find Double L Group? Where can they get a hold of you guys if they'd like more information on the new fans that you guys are offering?
Yeah, so really simple. You can go out to our website. It's doublel.com. You can always email it at sales@doublel.com. You can call our main office, or you can email me directly at cduffy@doublel.com.
And what social media channels are people on to go follow you?
Yeah, we are on LinkedIn and Facebook.
Wonderful. So go check them out. You can see their most recent updates on social media. And thank you very much for taking the time to talk.
Thanks for having us.